Hello, me fixing everything here, and because there is always something to be fixed, let's change the inner CV boot on this Volkswagen Passat driveshaft. So the CV boot is split in here. The way to change it is you need to take out the driveshaft itself. How you doing it? You undo the bolt on this side where the brake disc is, and after that, let's move that away. And after that, you undo the 6 bolts. You pull everything out. You take this cap off, put it in a vise, and just tap it with a screwdriver. You take this cap off, and the shaft is sitting inside. Yeah, on this side there is a circlip that's holding everything together. You need to take it out. I'll show you the circlip. That's the circlip. Take the circlip out. This one didn't have a place where you can take it out, so I just poked it out with a screwdriver, and that the whole thing comes out. Yeah, you need a new CV boot. Okay, you need you maybe need a new one. I'm not really sure. I like the original one. This one is, you can feel it's a lot thinner, but if you think you need, you can change it. Brackets and grease. Okay, so push the new one in. When you're looking to buy the CV boat, trying to find a big one, the hard one. Sorry for the noise. Try to find the plastic to be hard, otherwise when you're driving with 100 miles an hour or whatever is the speed limit in your country, it might... Oh, come on. Okay, I'll need to... I think I'll need to give it a little bit of advice with this one. Maybe warm it up a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Or not. Should I warm it up? I'll stop the video for a second and we'll warm up the plastic for a second. Unfortunately, my battery is getting really low, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you the whole process. But you put the CV boot in. You put the top part of the CV joint in, tap it very gently with the hammer, then put the circlip back in, the top, squeeze the brackets and put the drive shaft back together. The main point is that you can disassemble the CV joint. Just take the circlip, tap it out, and that's how you change the CV boot on a Volkswagen drive shaft. I hope the video was helpful to you. Sorry, but I don't have enough battery. I'll try to film it next time. See you on the next video.